gain independence from the British. Now we come to the Republic Day celebration. Now every year we see Republic Day is celebrated all over the world. Now on Republic Day, little bit different events place at the national level. So on that day, as everybody knows, the constitutional position of first citizen of India, President, will be hosting the flag and honoring the distinguished guests are the people who work in the different field by giving them Padma Shri awards. Now today that event is going on. So in that Padma Bhushan is there, Padma Shri is there, Padma Bhushan is there. So the people who are unsung real heroes of India, the people that don't know about them, in that it may be social workers, in that may be artists, writers, film directors, the people who have used the society to perform the different or to make the developed India, the people who work, for them the president is honoring them by giving the Padma Shri award. Now let us come back to the how or why we celebrate Republic Day every year. Now you may get the question in your mind. Now we are in 76th year and still we are celebrating the Republic Day on 26th January. So when we are under the British rule, so that time the Constituent Assembly was formed under the Government of India Act 1935. So where the Indian British people, they used to make the law and they used to rule the different part of the country. So that people are the boss and we are the laborers under them, they have to work it. But after getting the independence on 15 August 1947, so the Constituent Assembly, they drafted or they established one committee under B.R. Ambedkar, who was one of the well qualified and the first law minister of India. Under him, 6 members who are there in the drafting committee. Now why they felt there is a need of the constitution? Because already there was a Government of India Act which were prepared by the Britishers in 1935. Because that rules were made by the Britishers, now we want them rules to be removed and the new one to be formed. So the Constituent Assembly, when we got independence in 1947, they formed the drafting committee under B.R. Ambedkar and his team, all 7 members included in that advisory peoples were there, who are well qualified. In that Sarojini Naidu was there. So many of them were there and they took almost approximately 3 years to draft the constitution by studying the constitution of different countries. I think in social 10th class textbook it is there. So how Ambedkar he struggled to form the different rules, articles, amendment in the constitution. Now today we all are sitting here because of him with the safe mind, without any worry, without any tension. Because everything, it is clearly mentioned in that constitution book. How the India should be ruled, what will be the structure of India, and how the state should coordinate with the central government, that everything it is written systematically. You imagine, Ambedkar and his teammates